Hi everybody, I'm going to make something delicious today in my Go Wise pressure cooker. I'm going to make meat stuffed pasta, which I never made before, but I found these funny looking noodles here in my kitchen. They're called Paccheri Rigati. I don't know, I'll show you a little closer, but they're like mini manicottis. I'm going to stuff them with ground beef and some good seasonings. And I'm going to put the sauce in here. I'm going to cook that for 7 minutes. It's going to be scrumptious. Let me show you how easy it is. These are my ingredients. These are the noodles I told you. I don't know if you could read that better than me. Paccheri Rigati. See, they're hollow. I'm going to use the most roundest ones I can get out of there. I'm not going to use them all. And I have 3 pounds of ground beef, which I'm probably going to use half of that. Some mozzarella cheese for the end. Prego pasta sauce. Oregano, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Let me split this up, put it in a bowl, and mix my salt and pepper in there and whatnots. I'm using the Go Wise today, and I'm also using an accessory that came with it, which is this handy steamer basket. So my noodles don't stick to the bottom, which they don't always do that, but first I'm going to put some sauce in, put the stuffed noodles in here, put it in, put some more sauce on top. It's gonna be good. Let's open this up. Can't wait no more, I'm hungry. About half of that, right? In the bowl. Everybody in the bowl. Alright, well, you know this is easy. Who's some salt and pepper? Salt, pepper, garlic powder, oregano, as much as you like, and just mix it up somewhat. You can use your hands, doesn't matter. I like the spurtle. You could add an egg here too to kind of hold it together. I don't know if the meat's going to fall out of these little noodles. But if it does, it's still going to be delicious, meaty, somewhat stuffed. Awesome. See? I was wondering if I'm going to stuff them with my fingers, but then I thought, maybe I'll put the meat in a bag and cut the corner off and make it like a pastry bag, kind of, you know? It's an experiment. Everything's an experiment around here. Not everything. Alright, put it in a bag and see how it goes. Got one of these big Ziploc bags. If you have a pastry bag, that would be perfect. Put it in there. See how this is going to work. What do you think? Cut the corner off, squirt it in the noodles. We'll see how it goes. Okay, take your steamer basket, cut the corner off this bag, and see if that works. Oh, cut 2 corners off. What am I going to do about that? Oh no, it's not working. Anyway, get your meat in there. Best way you know how. Let me get another bag. I messed that one up. Hang on. Stunt bag. Oh, I know why, because they're pleated at the end, see? That's why when you cut one corner, you end up with 2. What else I got like that? How about a little baggie? Yeah, a regular size baggie doesn't have a pleat. That might work better for this operation. I transfer my meat. Half of my meat anyway. Where the meat meets the pleat. Little baggie. See how that goes. Oh, that's better. Yep. It's in there. Put them in your pan. Do this for a while. Find the nice roundest ones. Some of them are flat. which might not work too good. Or you could use a full-size manicotti if you'd like. But I just saw these in my kitchen and I thought I'd try them. Alright. This is not working too good. Stuff your shells however you can. Use your hands. Okay? I broke my bag again. Alright, I'm doing this. Bear with me. Don't be delicious. I'm gonna end up using my fingers. I don't mind. Yeah, I guess a nice cloth pastry bag would have worked perfectly for this. Alright, let me continue to stuff as many that are going to fit in this nice basket. And I'll be right back. Alright, keep on stuffing. It's just as easy using your clean hands. You can put sausage in here too, wouldn't that be good? Ground sausage or turkey, something like that. Alright, I'm almost done. I even used some of the not so round ones. Seems like using my fingers is the best idea here. And I don't mind if some of the meat comes out. Still going to be meaty and good. Think there's enough for a while? Could stand them all up like this. I saw a pie made like that. You know, stand them all up. But it's going to be all over the place. Almost done. I guess that's enough. And I got enough meat left over and enough of these funny named noodles left over for another meal someday. See? Alright, last one. Clean up your mess. I'm going to put this cheese on at the end because if you know anything about cooking with pressure, the cheese will disintegrate in there pretty much. Look at that. Let's turn this on. This is the Go Wise. Oh, you know what? This is such a great price today. I'm going to put a link down there. I was amazed at the price. I think it was $47. And you get this. And I think you get a rack and measuring cup and a spoon. I'm going to put this on the bottom. Coat the bottom a little bit. There, come up and watch. See, that's enough. I just want to coat the bottom. And I'm going to add my steaming basket with the holes in. I'm going to put the rest of the sauce on the stuffed pasta. And I'm going to fill half of this jar with water, shake it up, because we need at least 2 cups of liquid in there for it to come up to pressure. I'm going to get half a jar, shake it up, pour it down around the sides. Oh, it's starting to float. Got these nice handles then. Pick it up and out of there, see? A little bit in there. And you know, I could have used more of everything here. I could have used the whole bag of pasta and all the meat, but this is enough for what I want right now. Remember I said 7 minutes? Mm-hmm. Put the lid on. Make sure you're in pressure mode, which I am. On the lid up here. I'm going to pick manual setting. Pressure time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's it. When it comes up to pressure, that'll start counting down. And one reason I really like this Go Wise pressure cooker is because it has a pressure gauge there, which no other brand has that I know of. When it comes up to pressure, it'll tell you how much pressure is in there. I'll show you when that happens. This is going to be a delicious lunch for me today, isn't it? I'm going to try it sometime. Alright, I'll be back and I'll show you when the pressure reads on the gauge. See the pressure? See the gauge there? I love that. It regulates up and down as needed. High pressure is anywhere from 8 to 15 pounds, I believe. It was up to 15, now it's going down. It's going to come up and down depending on the volume of your food in there. I really love that feature. Whoa, 1 minute remaining. See, 8 pounds is where it settled in at. And when I let out the pressure, you'll see that drop down. Go Wise USA, I like it. Don't forget about this mozzarella I'm going to put on there. Because I'm putting it in a bowl. It's going to be my lunch. Beep! Come on, I'm hungry. Here we go. All right, I'm going to let the pressure out. You can watch the gauge go down. See it? Nice. Let's look inside. Looks good to me. Can you see? I'm going to unplug it. But, like I said, right now I'm going to put some cheese on there. Where's my little squirtle? Look at this. See there? They're soft. And the meat's in there. See the meat? It's in there and all cooked. Okay. Mozzarella. Fella. Oh, that's okay. Oh, that's okay. You like it? Let me put the lid on for 2 minutes. You know why. Here we go. Wanna look? Oh, look at this. Oh, yes. Now, what am I going to do here? I'm going to take the basket out, put it on a plate, because I want to pour the sauce that's in the bottom of the pan into my bowl. So remember, it's hot. Well, these handles are coated with plastic, so not too bad. Okay. Look. Getting a nice sauce in the bottom. This is a steamer basket, remember? Put that here for right now. Oh, doesn't that look delicious? Sure does. I'd eat it right out of there. And the sauce, I'm going to pour into my clear bowl so you can see it good. See? Stand back. Put a pot holder. Alright, there's not much down there. That's okay. That's what I want. Oh, I'm sorry. Use my bottom of my pan. Pretty good. Didn't stick. I'm going to get these out of here. One by one or what? I was thinking I was just going to dump this into there, but let's see how this goes. I could just put them on your plate at this point, but look at it. Holy cow. I want to eat them. Yeah, you could just take these out and put them on your plate. Ooh, that one came apart a little bit. Holy. Man, these are so good. You gonna make some? You gonna make some? Give me a fork. Woo! Meat stuffed pasta. They seem to be done to the perfect consistency. Meat, see it? Meat's done. Didn't fall out like I thought it might have. Nice cheesy mess. I smelled the garlic in there. Remember I put garlic powder in there? Oh, the meat came out of that one. That's okay. That's a bonus morsel. Or hors d'oeuvre. Alright, that's enough. Boy, that's enough for me right now. Let's see. Gonna taste it. What are you gonna do? Gonna taste it. Oh, yes. Bowl's a little warm. What else I got? Some grated cheese I can put on there. I got some Italian bread. Where is it? Here it is. Hey. Perfect. Perfect consistency. Believe me. The meat is done perfectly. Is that my neck that squeaks like that? Need more olive oil. Don't forget about that pressure cooker. Check the link down there. Right now today I know it's $47. That's insane. That's amazing. Thanks for watching, everybody. Try this in your pressure cooker, whatever brand you happen to have. They're so delicious. And a good rule for making pasta is make sure the pasta is covered with water, and you can generally go half the time that the box says to boil it. Like if the box says boil for 11 minutes, go 6.5, 7 minutes. 6.5, 7, yeah, 6.5, yeah. No, 6, 7 minutes. You see, 7 minutes was perfect for me. And I made a lot of pasta in pressure cookers. But you gotta have water over the pasta. And not a full pot either. You don't need 2/3 full. You need at least 2 cups of water. But that jar of sauce and half a jar of water was perfect for this. You see that. All right, I'm gonna continue eating this. Please subscribe. Stop back soon. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, bye.